Hi friends, welcome to Penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Star One Black Body and Golden Trim Fountain Pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a complete black body and cap which has a golden trim set where the golden clip and a golden ring on the cap of this pen, and there is a crystal like a diamond in this top portion, which is giving a more aesthetic and a very rich look for this pen. And this is a easy opening, like you can pull this out to remove the cap. And this is number 5.5 nib, where the words like platinum tipped fine is mentioned in the nib portion. And you can swap the nibs as you like, since we have number 5.5 nibs in many brands. And for that, you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and you can use a filter and you can find the exact nib. And we are having in a fine, medium, broad and flex, and again with gold, dual tone and silver plated nibs in all the tip in all the plated nibs, so you can choose as per your wish. And the ink filling system here is the cartridge converter type. This is the converter. You can also use cartridges for this. For that, you can, to fill the ink, you can push this up and dip in the ink and pull this back, so ink will be filled up this portion. And yeah, this is a simple thing. And now the measurements of this pen. The diameter of the holding area is 9.6 mm and the body's diameter is 11.6 mm, and the entire length of this pen without cap is 119.6 mm. And with cap it is 136.2 mm. And yeah, with this measurements you can get some idea about the pen's pouches. If you maintain this with the pouch and hold very smooth holders, the same aesthetic and shininess will last forever. And now the entire weight of this body is 31 grams. And yeah, as the holding diameter is a medium one, this pen is more suitable for adults and for smaller hands too. But this is quite an heavy pen, full metal finished, so this is highly recommended. This is not advisable pen for the little fingers. And as this is a metal pen, you can engrave your names or logos in the cap or on the body also. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing and the ink flow will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull this. This is a screwing type one, and you can screw it and remove this nib unit from this grip portion. And after removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush, toothbrush or any brush, and clean it well with soap water or in tap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So here it is a Brill bottle. Here it is given, clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. It is unique formulation, prevents clogging and aids quick drying on paper. So it is clear. Unless otherwise we have a good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And here in the feeder it is mentioned as 6, and this feeder has a very good grooves. And few nibs need to be fine-tuned because during the manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines up and down so it will create some space in between the tines, so you will get a very good ink flow and a very smooth writing in turn. And please ensure both the lines are parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pens to our customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. Then here I'm going to give the writing sample of this pen. For today's writing, I'm using our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. Very smooth writing. The writing is so awesome, extremely smooth one, and the flow also coming out very well. This is maybe the reason we have after the fine tune. Yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.